Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your boxer's shoes on Real Boxing. So let's get started. First, open the Real Boxing game on your device. Tap on the Customize option from the top of your screen. Here, you can find the shoes option. Tap on it. Select the shoes you want for your boxer. Make sure that you have already purchased the shoes before selecting it. Once you have chosen your desired shoes, tap on the OK button located at the bottom right corner of your screen to confirm your selection. And this is how you can change your boxer's shoes on Real Boxing. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.